If you're already using webinars to sell your products online, or you're thinking about using webinars, the team at Samcart and I have a new favorite tool for creating both automated and live webinars that is both easier to use and higher converting than any other tool we've used in the past. We use webinars all the time at Samcart to show potential customers how Samcart can help them create pages and boost conversions, and our go-to tool up until recently was EverWebinar by Webinar Jam. But after years of looking past issues with video quality, forms breaking, spotty reporting, and inconsistent support, we finally started to search for a replacement. And after testing out every legitimate tool for creating live and automated webinars, we ended up going with StealthSeminar, because literally every single metric that makes a winning webinar went up, from our registration rate to our show-up rate to our actual conversion of our webinars. After using StealthSeminar for over a month, here are our big takeaways. Number one, we're not seeing anyone write in complaining about our webinars freezing, which used to happen all the time. Our webinar registration pages no longer have EverWebinar branding all over them, and our opt-in rates have seen a big bump because it's far easier for people to register, and their forms look great on mobile phones. Maybe the biggest boost was our show-up rate. We average around 50% show-up rates with EverWebinar, and that number has shot up to over 84% on Stealth. This is because Stealth gives you far more options for scheduling, and the thank you page that someone sees after signing up automatically redirects into the webinar as soon as the call starts, instead of forcing them to find their link in their email inbox. Stealth also gives you tons of flexibility with their API and custom fields, so now we can ask simple questions like what are your current monthly sales, on top of getting their name and email address before someone signs up for a webinar. The follow-up emails Stealth sends look infinitely better as well. And the webinar room itself doesn't have any branding on it like EverWebinars does, and the list goes on and on. But here's the kicker. Stealth works seamlessly with Samcart, which lets you track all of your sales back to every single webinar that you have, so you can know how each one of them is actually converting, which is something we were never able to truly get with EverWebinar. All you have to do is take the simple pixel that Stealth provides and paste it into your Samcart product, and every sale you make will start showing up in your Stealth dashboard so that you know what every single registration page visit, what every registrant, and what every attendee is worth to your business. Plus, their reports are by far the best we've seen. You can see all of your sales from each webinar and filter by date and time, so you're never left in the dark. StealthSeminar has every feature you could ever want in a webinar platform, and it's incredibly easy to set up. If you're using webinars, we highly recommend checking them out. Samcart obviously isn't a webinar platform, but with so many of our users relying on webinars, we want to make sure we're finding and recommending the best tools out there. If you want to check them out and give it a try, just use the link right below this video.